Here we have ended this page properly. I was telling you here that Mrs. Pumphrey started sending the dishes or food stuff which was really enjoyed by Tricky. But Dr. Harriet was not in the favor to give him the same food stuff, because if he would have given, so the whole efforts of Dr. Harriet would have been spoiled to make Tricky an energetic animal. We could hardly believe that when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. The meaning of this over here you can see we word is written over here, meant to say Dr. Harriet as well as his hospital staff. They used to enjoy that brandy, that wine, that dishes, whatever Mrs. Pumphrey used to send for her pet dog. But those all eatable stuff was being enjoyed by the staff of the hospital. So every meal was like ceremony or ceremonial occasion for that staff. We could hardly believe that brandy come to put at the final edge. It means that, let's see what is happening. For few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. Meant to say, for few days, they enjoyed this meal on behalf of Tricky. They were days of deep content, starting well with extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midway wine after the lunch, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with a brandy. So they all were enjoying this food stuff. But one thing, children, here you need to take care. Dr. Harriet was not telling this to Mrs. Pumphrey, that they are not giving the food to the animal. It was really a temptation. Tricky on as a permanent guest. Meant to say, it was just an attraction that hospital staff wanted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. But I knew. Who's I? Dr. Harriet. I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight meant to say a period of 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering in the absence of her pet dog and felt compelled to phone or to call. Then here it is written over here that she called that. Then Dr. Harriet have to tell about the reality. Dr. Harriet told to Mrs. Pumphrey that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Meant to say, he had informed to Mrs. Pumphrey that her dog had totally recovered and is ready to be collected. So as when Mrs. Pumphrey heard this, she came within 30 minutes. Okay, within 30 minutes, a black metal car came and stood in front of the surgery. Surgery means the hospital. The chauffeur opened the door. Chauffeur means the driver. Opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Meant to say, when Dr. Harriet came out, he saw that Mrs. Pumphrey was too much restless. She was sitting in the car, very restless. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled because she was too much tensed. She was missing her dog very much. She was more curious to look her dog. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Who's he over here, children? Tricky. So Mrs. Pumphrey was asking about the health of Tricky. So this dialogue is spoken by Dr. Harriet. He said that yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. So Dr. Harriet naturally made Mrs. Pumphrey comfortable. He told that he himself would go in the hospital and get the dog nearby his car. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn in their midst. Doctor said that I went into the garden. All dogs were playing round and round in the garden, and Tricky was also playing. Ear flapping, tail waving was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled animal. He was keeping up very well with the back stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. Mean to say, in the period of 2 weeks, Dr. Heater did his best. Dr. Heater provided a lot of exercise to Tricky. He was giving food in limit. Okay, so there Tricky learned how to struggle, how to run, how to be happy. Here, Tricky was enjoying the company of other dogs. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw him, saw his mistress, he took off from my arm in a tremendous leap. So here Dr. Heriot said that when Tricky saw his mistress, means Mrs. Pumphrey, immediately that dog jumped. Leap means jumped, and sat in the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey. She gave a startled, means Mrs. Pumphrey got shocked. She said, "Oh," and then, as it is written over here, then had to defend herself as she swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. So after 2 weeks, that dog had seen its mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. So dog always show their love towards their owner by licking their hands or face and barking and waving their tails. So same things were being done by Tricky. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds. Mean to say, meanwhile, Mrs. Pumphrey was playing or getting comfortable with Tricky. I help, mean to say, Dr. Heriot helped the driver to bring all the beds or material, cushion, coats, balls, okay, to shift into the car, which had been, which had never been used, as it is written over here, none of which has been used. But Dr. Heriot did not tell this to Mrs. Pumphrey, because she was more taking care of the comfort of her dog. As the car moved away, as when the car started moving, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone on her eyes. Meant to say, tears were rolling into her eyes because these were the tears of happiness. Her lips trembled. Last dialogue was spoken by Mrs. Pumphrey. She said, "Oh, Mr. Heriot," she cried, "how can I ever thank you?" She thanked to Mr. Heriot, and then last she said that this is the triumph of your surgery. Okay, triumph here meant to say victory. So here Mrs. Pumphrey said that it is the victory of your surgery, means your hospital. So in this way we have ended this lesson. Students, I hope you must have understood. The work will be given in the PDF. Thank you so much.